Hello, welcome to Wander Financial. Today I want to show you what a Wander Financial trade alert means. When we make a trade, we will quickly send out an alert via app. The app will show you the buy price, the ticker, and the stop, and the target. We also send out a blog post, a Twitter alert, and an email. All three of those will show up shortly after the original app alert, which will show up very quickly within a minute of the trade. Sometimes the trade goes up a little bit, sometimes it goes down a little bit in the meantime, but we do our best to get it out as quickly as possible. The trade alert says buy 20% FXC at 74.90. That would mean FXC is the ticker that you're buying. 20% is the portion of your portfolio that you're allocating to the trade. 74.90 is the price of the stock that we bought it at. So let's say you had a $10,000 account. You're going to allocate 20% of that to this trade. That's $2,000. You're going to divide that 2,000 by 74.90 to give you the number of shares that you should trade. That would be 26 shares. So you're going to buy 26 shares there. Next thing would be the stop, 73.95. That's the level that we would be watching. If it broke below there, we would assume that our reasoning for the trade was wrong, and we would exit the trade. The target is 77.10. That's the price we're looking for the stock to rise to, and that's the level that we would sell at, or unless something had changed in the meantime. And we had decided to move that target. If we did, we would send a trade update. Generally, as a trade is moving up in our favor, we'll move the stop up a little bit at a time, and if it looks like it's really going to keep going, then we'll move this target as well. So that's about it for a trade alert. In the next video, we'll go over the mechanics of making the trade. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.